What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be very important, especially if you're into mobile servicing, flashing, or unlocking devices professionally. So first of all, take a look at this screen. I just downloaded this tool directly from the official website, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. I'm talking about Unlock Tool Pro. Now, here's the big news. Right now, I am using this tool completely free. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. The company has officially launched a special promotional offer where they're giving a full 1-year subscription free for new users. This is not a cracked version, not a mod, not anything unofficial. This is directly from the official source. The purpose behind this offer is simple. They want new users to try the software, explore all its features, test its performance, and give their honest feedback. And if you already know about this tool, then you understand how powerful it is. This is considered one of the top tools in the mobile servicing industry. From unlocking to flashing and handling different device operations, it offers a wide range of professional level features. Now, the question is, how can you claim this 1-year free subscription? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step. First, you need to visit the official website. Make sure you are on the real website. Don't download from random third-party sources because that can be risky. Once you're on the website, you'll need to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Remember, this offer is mainly for new users, so if you haven't registered before, this is the perfect time. After creating your account, go to your dashboard. There, you will see the promotional offer or subscription details section. The company has clearly mentioned the 1-year free access for eligible users. From there, follow the activation process. In this screen recording, I'm showing you exactly where to click, what options to select, and how to complete the verification process properly. Once everything is done, you'll be able to activate your license. After activation, just restart the tool and you'll see that your subscription is valid for 1 full year. That's it. Simple and straightforward. But keep one thing in mind, this is a limited time offer. The company can end this promotion anytime. So if you're watching this video, don't delay. Take advantage of this opportunity while it's available. I made this video to make the process easier for you so that you don't get confused or miss any important steps. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit from this free offer. Alright guys, let's jump into the full process on the screen and get started.